tell me.
I'm a public officer, public health calendar. I'm designated in the province of Ontario to issue contravention fines if people do not comply. So if you don't want to comply,
give us a
your
fine.
option. Yeah, it's
We'll
either
take
you
a fine.
can't.
We'll take a fine.
That's fine. And get your passports to write your fine.
No, you don't need our passport.
Yes, I do. You can't tell me what to do with my job. You cannot tell me what is required of me when I write a fine.
But I will hold on to the passport.
No,
You'll give us back the passports when you're done with
You
them?
will get it back.
Absolutely.
They're not going to keep it. They just need your information to make sure. And you'll get it right. As soon as they're done with it, they get the information.
Since nothing makes sense,
keep
it's hard for us to trust anyone because nothing makes sense. So that's why we don't want to give our passports away.
Trust me.
But you'll definitely give us back
You
our
will
passports?
Absolutely.
I'm saying this on audio and video.
absolutely.
You will get your passports back. They're not going to keep it. They're going to make sure everything is okay, and then you. Will
I
get
also
it back.
need to verify your vaccination status.
No, we do not need to discuss that information.
That's another fine. Like,
Yeah. Like,
Okay.
Good.
should read
Put,
up.
put it on. Add it to the fine. Add it to the fines.
on the law.
No. Add it to the fines. Add it to the fines. Add it to the fines. If they're the bylaws, sure.
Okay, because I have to write out fines, I have to fill out forms. Those forms are going to take about an hour.
I thought you'd do that. Yeah, sure.
Sir, you can't have your cake and eat it too. That's.
Oh yes, this is very cakey. This is so
yes, life
cakey.
has been a cake.
Yeah, this is so
It's been a
cakey.
cakewalk. I hope
This
you
is-
have kids, and I hope that you know what it's like for the children.
When you
going
travel,
forward.
there's consequences if you don't follow the rules. Okay, so these under the Quarantine Act, unfortunately,
yeah.
the Quarantine Act, there's still rules that you must follow.
Sure,
if
yeah,
you're
rules.
international-
Just
if you're
like in
traveling.
World War II. There are lots of rules then too.
Sir, there's no need for rhetoric.
Oh,
There's no
then
need
just
for
do your
this
job and
rhetoric,
take our
okay?
passports and give it and
Yes,
take an
I need your
hour.
boarding passes, sir. I need additional information. Boarding passes, vaccine status.
We don't need our vaccine.
Give us a
Yes,
bill,
I do.
please.
Why do you need
What's
a
that word
boarding
Under
again?
the Quarantine Act,
Give us the
I'm
ticket for it
asking you
then.
as a federal officer, what's required.
you need information.
You need to comply, otherwise
So then,
it's fine.
We're not
please add the
disclosing
fine
that
to it. So
information,
please
so
add the
you can
fine.
add the fine.
Please
Very
add the
good.
fine.
Okay.
That makes it
I need
easier
your
for
boarding,
everybody.
passes, please.
I don't have it.
I don't have it either.
That's going to take longer then.
Oh, here it is.
You're on to what time? Yeah, I'm on 3 of.
That's not it. Where did I put the boarding pass?
Do I have it? Oh, I have it.
Police are identified.
Thank you, madam.
I'm addressed where they call me.
Sir, you fill out the right can, you would have been out of here in 5 minutes. Like, seriously.
It's not about that. It's about rights and freedoms and the future of our lives and our children.
Have your driver's license on it?
No, you don't need our driver's license.